Hello, Painting Peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4 here in sunny Fort Myers, Florida. It's a beautiful, hot, Africa hot kind of day here. But the sky is clear and there's beautiful blues and a few puffy clouds up there. And that's okay. As long as this girl is indoor, I'm doing my morning activities outside, you know, tending to my garden and walking my Lido dog. But after about 9 a.m., this girl is inside or in this nice air-conditioned studio. We're fiddling today on a 10 by 20 gallery wrap canvas, and I'm going to be turning it this way. I am doing an inspired pour by my friend Jan from Jan C Art, who is from Germany. If you don't know him, check out his channel. He is lovely. But for a collaboration that a group of us did a while back, he did a beautiful heart that he swiped. And I thought, you know what, I got to give that a go. And I want to give it a go on one of these longer, narrower canvases. So that's what we're doing today. Our colors are, of course, yummy. At least I think that they are. Our base coat is Creative Inspirations in the Paynes Gray, and I'm sorry the bottle is out of reach, but my new base coat color, if I'm not using my new base coat paint, if I'm not using my slop bucket paints, because the Artist Loft Soft Body is not working well for me anymore with swipes. Our colors are nice. Right here we have golden fluids in the iridescent gold fine. I didn't want to use 24 karat gold by DecoArt because it's just so bossy, and this is going to be a very soft and delicate kind of painting, and I didn't want it taking over. Yummy hue right here, golden fluids in the Alizarin crimson hue. That is a nice shade, a nice warm burgundy-ish kind of color. This is probably from my earlier days my favorite color combination. That right there is golden fluids in the turquoise, one of the prettiest turquoise, but I kicked it up a notch by adding a little bit of the DecoArt Dazzling metallics in the Peacock pearl. Start out with this, add my GAC 800, stir it up, add my pouring medium, 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, stir that up, and then just start to drizzle a little of this in there until I get the hue that I am hoping for. But oh goodness, I've been using those two paints together since the beginning of my journey 3 years ago. Right here, my very first golden paint I ever bought, golden fluids, and that is their iridescent pearl. Now the Alizarin crimson hue was much thinner than the other fluid paints. Even though you're using maybe all fluid paints, they still have different densities, different consistencies. So what I had to do to the Alizarin crimson hue is I added just about 1/2 tablespoon of whatchamacallit, the European Floetrol, which is called Oatrol. I get it on Amazon, and I added just a smidgen of it to help thicken up this paint to the consistency of the other paints. The Oatrol is about 7 times thicker than our Floetrol. Once again, I get that on Amazon. What else? Oh, our swiping tools today. We have a combination. We have our cut up pieces of damp paper towel and my Tracy Reach swiping tools if I want to add a little bit more pressure to areas. I also have one more paint, and I'm not sure I'm going to use it. I'm going to start without it. This is a beautiful shade. This is Atelier, and that is their Paynes Gray. And this paint only is mixed with the Aussie Floetrol. 1 part paint to 2 parts Aussie Floetrol. I might use it in some sections, but not all. I don't want my colors to get eaten up because it's a delicate piece with the lacing and whatnot. So that's what we're doing. What else do I need to tell you about? Oh guys, I started a Patreon account because several of my constants, my painting peeps, said, Kathleen, you need to do it. You need to do it for us. The link is in the description box. It's up close and personal. I post things there several times a week, everything from some of my favorite things and where I get them to small little experimental things that I'm doing, varnishing videos, paint mixing, just about any and everything that you might want. And it's pretty much all about you guys. You need to tell me what you'd like to see more of. You need to tell me what color schemes you'd like to see me use and what techniques. So we interact a lot together. And then there's challenges, and the winner of the challenges gets prizes, usually one of my favorite things, which is mailed to you. So it's a lot of fun. Patreon account, link in the description box. Come hang out and get up close and personal with me and a group of wonderful, wonderful painting peeps. So tunes time, tune time, tune time. That's hard to say, guys. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.